So you're a mortgage broker and your ads are not working well. I know, definitely it will not work well for you. Your campaigns will not convert. You will not get leads like this one. We had just created and started these ads on, you can say, like 5th of October, and we are past in 20 days. And all of the ads are generating leads with a really good cost per lead. But your ads will not work because you don't know the Facebook ad policy. Whenever you run ads for your mortgage services, Facebook bans your ads or restrict your ads. Sometimes it will not tell you, and but it will not give you the good reach or results on your ads. So all of these services which falls into Facebook special categories, and people just simply run ads on them without marking them as a special category in their Facebook ad manager, their campaigns will never work. They just spend their money and waste their money all the time. So how we do it, we always create the ads really carefully for all the services which are related to real estate, mortgage, loans, credit cards, financial advisor, political campaigns. So all those special categories are really sensitive, and you always need to be careful while you're creating the ads. The first step is marking your campaigns properly in the special category, that in which country you're running your ads and which category it falls in. After that, what you need to do is create your ad copy really carefully, where you will not guarantee anything or promising anything related to wealth or financial. So when you don't do that, your ads will work fine. So as you can see here, this one, this is this ad. Let me refresh this page also so you can see the recent data. These ads are always hard to run because you need to be careful with your ad copy, your ad creatives, and marking them properly in the special category. If you do anything wrong, Facebook will not give you the second chance. It happened to a lot of our clients who try to run ads by themselves, and they end up restricting their ad manager and their whole business profile. So once the business profile is banned and restricted, you cannot create any ads here. The whole setup is like broken down. What you need to do then, you just need to go and create a new business profile from your Facebook profile, and then create a new ad manager. And after that, you need to do everything again. But then at that point, you're really scared to run ads because you have done the mistake at the first point. So it's good to have someone who already knows everything. And if you want to learn everything step by step and know how to do it correctly, you can book a call with me, and I would be happy to talk to you about your campaigns. So just a quick overview. What you need to do is, when you're in your campaigns, you have created a new campaign and you want to run ads for mortgage, loans, refinance, DSCR, or you can say first home buyers. So for all those or any type of mortgage service, you're running Facebook ads or Instagram ads, what you need to do, come into your campaign before making it live. So come into your campaign, scroll down, and you can see here these special categories. Mark them correctly. If you're running the mortgage ads, mark them as housing here, and choose the correct country for your ads. If you are running it in multiple countries, you can select them. That's not an issue. You don't need to create multiple campaigns for each country. You can select multiple countries in here, and also you can select multiple categories here. So what it will do, it will put your ads in a special category list. So Facebook will not ban your ads, but it will push your ads to the correct audience then. Otherwise, you will be just running ads. If you're lucky and you're still running ads without marking them the special category, it will not give you results. It will not give you the leads. And sometimes in the start, it gives you leads, one or two lead, but the cost per lead will be really high. And I'm sure you're running ads and your cost per leads are near $50 per lead. So instead of running those high cost per lead campaigns, what you need to do is to create your campaign properly. Once you create them properly, you can easily generate all these leads. You can see here, like we are generating leads at like under $4 per lead, and the CTR, check the CTR on the campaigns. So these are really good campaigns. Like clients are really happy for with these type of campaigns, and the daily budget on these campaigns are not 50 or $100 we are spending, because I've seen people spend $100 per campaign, and they get results really minimum with a high cost per lead. So these type of campaigns make clients happy. And what you just need to do after this is keep your campaign running. And as a tip, if you have a new account, ad manager account, and you have never run ads on your ad manager account, don't start directly with the lead campaigns or any traffic campaign. Start with the awareness campaign. Any campaign you create in your ad manager, always mark the special category. Don't think that if you're running only lead form campaign, you need to mark it as a special category. If you're a mortgage broker or you're selling related anything to mortgage, loans, credit card, financial, you always need to mark it as a special category in all your ad objective: awareness, traffic, lead form, any type of campaign you're running, just mark that. Keep your awareness campaign running for 15 days on a really low budget, like $4 per day, and keep it for like 10 to 14 days, because it will boost your campaign. It will make your ad manager bots, Facebook bots, to learn about your product. Once it stores data, learn about your product, it gives you more reach. Then close this one, or you can, like, after 10 days, you can start your main lead form campaign, and then you will see good results. Don't jump into the lead form campaign when you have a fresh account. Just warm up your account. And still, if you have a account which is you're running for a long time but it's not generating good leads, start awareness campaign. Put one ad over there, start awareness campaign with a small budget for a few days. It will give your Facebook bots to learn about your campaign and your audience really good way by running the awareness campaign. So I hope this video helps you to run a really good campaign and generate a lot of leads for your business. And if you want to book a call with me, I have dropped a link in the description. You can do that also. And I have created a Whoop membership. If you want to learn about more about Facebook ads and how to run a high performing ad campaigns, or creating a landing page, you can join our members platform, and I will see you there. Till then, take care and subscribe. Thank you.